name is Chinyere and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you. In my next video, I should be sharing my preparation, packing and last days.
Jesus Christ. I am not sure one in Capuchin, Yurugi. You do a brother ginger. You could believe the Peleazo. Do you Canada or the one of the day coma. All my bank, no, you lay a Brunei, never knew no one, and I am a local woman. Quick all the question of a booking for that. On a dollar. Do it, Chivani. Why you cannot about way for Dana? Cotton also told a moment because he was. I hear on Cassana, Jesus Christ, go no one.
Amen.
Kajaka Kajamara. Kamara, Jesus Christ. You and I can no go so. Yeah, you never.
Amen. Amen. Thank you.
What on that?
Yeah, boys, nothing. Hey, actually nice. Come and feel it now, Joe. Oh, we can put that. Let's feel it here before you see. Aww. There's you guys don't want to feel. Why she feel it? They want to feel it and just feel. She will feel. I should nominate myself.
Red heart, 2 hearts.
We've tried, we brought some, but ma'am, just recently about my mom. Let's discover one mad thing. What is even the question? Tell us why your mom, now this video have to get problem. No, oh, yeah, I've told you what we say. Nominate name. Am I nominating myself for my mother? Even though she nominated herself, it's 3 people that are still. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you're not included. Maya. What? This is. Why am I not seeing you? Say hi. No, it's not a new phone. Don't worry. Don't act surprised. How are you? What's she saying? I cannot hear. What's your secret? Actually, they glow. Let's say they use your regular kind of skincare. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
You need these things. I can jump on.
Don't forget the jump for me. They are doing video that I will be watching and crying later.
Like a proper camera tripod. Alright, so here's the luggage I traveled with. I have 223 kg bag allowance and 17 kg. Yeah. So yeah, I put my foodstuffs in the first one. Guys, if you're traveling, please just get like a duffel bag or Ghana must go. That stuff they call Ghana must go. Yeah. Put your foodstuffs in it. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. Then yeah, my personal items were like in my hand luggage, like very personal things. Not so personal, but yeah, just little random things. I just threw them in there, and things I knew I would use like within the flights because I had like some layovers and some connecting flights. So I just put them in there. Then the middle one, basically my major clothing items, my shoes, personal care items basically. So this is the first 23 kg box. I think I've removed some things from this box. I'm not sure. Oh, I think it's the other clothes box because I've been here for a while. So I have some things on this other side as well. I'll be showing you each item I carried. So this is the other side of the box. they all came together. Yeah, from standing and turning around. Alright, let's go. So this is time. Then this is leaves. I got all kinds of leaves like lemon and so on. So I have sobo leaves in here, ugu, which has the leaves. It looks like spinach. Yup. Then I have stem leaf in here. So I feel like half carton of indomie. Well, I probably ended up trying like 8 eventually, or 7. So sad. Cocoa Pops, probably the only provision I enjoy. Yeah. Then for the hair TikTok girlies, I have fenugreek, rosemary, shea butter, aloe vera powder in here. So I just made sure I labeled all my like dry spices and foodstuffs and all of that. Ensure to label all of them. So what I did was like my box is 23 kg, yeah? The allowance for this box, and then the box was weighing about 4 kg. So I had to carry foodstuffs worth 10 kg on one side, and another one was 9 kg on one, 9, 10, 11, yeah, 9 kg. So I think this was the past that, yeah, all these things I showed you now were about 9 kg. Then to the other side, I had beans. So this is like my swallow powder. I don't know what to call it. Corn, millet, and cassava. It's not semo. I don't know what to call it. But over our side we call it like corn food. If that makes sense. Then I bought very, very, very little rice. Very little. Then I'll actually buy rice here. Then what's this? I actually forgot to label this. So this is like my label is important too. Yeah, these mixed spices, like mix all the spices you can think of, like local spices, pepper soup spices, all these spices, yeah, in here. Very little Gary. I don't really take Eba, and I don't really, well, this was just like for emergency or backup, and it was more than this before, but I kept on reducing. So a hack I'll give you guys is write out all the foodstuffs you want to carry and know your total like baggage allowance. So for example, right, I'm carrying 1 kg of gari, put it in, carry 1 kg of this, put it in. So at the end of the day, everything will total up to 23 kg or 19 if your box already have some weight. I had that idea, but I don't know what I was thinking. But yeah, it's actually eventually saved me halfway, but the damage was already done. So spaghetti, I can get this, yes, I got 2, but I came with 1 eventually. Ogbono, as I'm a soup fan, but yeah, I would learn to be a soup fan. Noodles, ginger tea, because it gets cold here, and I think tea is my best shot. Then yeah, more spices, I guess. So in here I have pepper, I have turmeric, I have, I'm not sure. Yeah, I have ginger and garlic here. This is like cocoyam powder. What else? This is like clove. Yeah, I think it's clove. Yeah, grounded cloves. Mini chin, some snap. The remain of my noodles. Egusi. This is egusi. Sucre. I kept on reducing it. Very importantly, stockfish. I did not even bother reducing this because I know the amount I bought this, and I know getting there will be more very, very expensive. So I carried like that. So it's about, I don't think it was up to 1 kg, but something around that. Butter. Yeah. So yeah, in the same box, I also had my hair extension. I mean, I just wanted to throw something in. So that's all for my first box, I believe. So I think now I can put them on the kitchen shelf because I've been waiting to do some unboxing. Let's go to the kitchen. I may or may not take you guys there. I brought this cup. This is Tom Brown. My mom calls it nutritional combo. Very, very nutritious. Rice, beans, soya beans, tiger nuts, dates, spices like your ginger and the rest. There's something else. Dried fish is inside this thing. Yes, yeah. If I remember, I add this. This is like dried goat's meat and chicken meat. Goat's meat. I did not say beef. Beef is not allowed. Something is missing. I can't find my. Oh yeah, I also have like sachet tomato and nut cubes. I just bought like one roux because I actually get actual tomatoes here, and yeah, nut cube, chicken flavor, dry fish. This was in the other box. Tomato paste, nut cube, a little salt, and yeast.
I hope this video was helpful to someone. Please like, drop a comment or a question if you have, and subscribe. Thank you.